G'day folks, welcome back to KIERAN'S training. Now I want to have a quick chat today about safety. Now we had a video yesterday on duty of care. So when we talk about duty of care, we realise that safety is relates to everybody on the work site. Now the best way to maintain a safe work site is to make sure that everyone is communicating with each other. So that can include your managers, supervisors, safety officers and co-workers. Okay, we all need to get together and have a chat and be able to discuss openly with each other about any site-specific hazards and procedures. Because what you will realise when you start travelling from one site to the next, you can have the same hazard maybe present on different sites, but those sites will have different procedures in place for dealing with those hazards. So as you go to each site, it's important to know what that site's particular procedures are for a particular hazard. Now the best way to do this is through communication. Now when we're communicating, what we've got to realise is that although a site may have a safety officer or a supervisor, they may not be experts in the field that you're in. So for example, if you are there as a crane driver, a rigger, that doesn't mean that the safety officer on the site knows anything about operating cranes or rigging or how to sling loads or anything along those lines. So sometimes with what we do as crane operators and riggers, what you'll find is it may look dangerous to someone else, but it's all about perception. So quite often you may get asked a question or two about what you're doing and how you're doing it. It's not about the safety officer or the supervisor having a go at what you're doing, it's they want a better understanding of it. Okay, so it's all about perceptions. So when we learn to communicate with each other and not hold a grudge amongst each other, okay, you'll find everything will run a lot smoother. Okay, it's in their best interest to make sure that they understand what you're doing and that you understand that they have a task to do as well. So in order to do this, the best thing to do is just communicate effectively, talk to each other. Okay, make sure you do fill out all your risk assessment tools, identify any hazards. If you're not sure about anything particular on site, go and talk to the right people as well. Now remember, if you do come across a hazard, okay, you've got to let someone know or put some controls in place to try and reduce the risk associated with that hazard. Okay, so that may require the help of other trades or someone else as well to help along the lines. So it's all about having effective communication with each other. So if everyone does talk freely, it does make everything go a lot smoother and a lot easier, and you don't have as many headaches on site. Okay, so just remember, while you are out there, everyone does have a role to do. So talk to each other, be nice to each other, and you'll find everything will go a lot smoother. Okay, so that's just my quick 2 cents worth. Okay, so thanks for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe to keep updated with further videos. Okay, thank you.